has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles north of Portage to near Sauk City to near Apple River, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Baraboo, Monroe, Verona, Portage, Oregon, Reedsburg, McFarland, Monona, Mount Horeb, Windsor, Columbus, Dodgeville, Prairie du Sac, and Marshall. People attending the Belleville Community Picnic should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.